Now let us talk about the types of vaccines. Vaccines are basically divided into two major categories: whole vaccines and component vaccines. Whole vaccines include two major types of vaccines like live attenuated vaccines. In this type of vaccine, infection causing pathogen is weakened and used in vaccine so they don't cause the infection. This type of vaccine proved to be most efficient, effective, and can provide lifelong immunity with single dose. The other category in whole vaccine is inactivated vaccines. In this type of vaccines, the pathogens are completely inactivated by heat or chemicals. These vaccines are less effective than live attenuated vaccines, but they are in fact safer and requires multiple doses. Moving on to the second major category of vaccines, that is component vaccines. This category contains the first type, that is replicating viral vector vaccines. These vaccines are made by taking other virus which is similar like pathogen and can copy itself and also carry pathogen gene. Next is non-replicating viral vector vaccine. In these type of vaccines, the viral vectors are genetically modified to make replication defective, where virus becomes inactivated and still be able to trigger the desired human immune response, but cannot replicate in human cells. The third type in this category is conjugated vaccines. Every disease causing pathogen has a protective coating which helps them resistant to immune system and they cause infection. Conjugated vaccines are made by considering the protective coating as weak antigen and are combined with other antigen from other source as carrier to activate the immune response. The fourth on number is vaccines as protein subunits. This type of vaccines contain purified pieces of fragments of pathogen which will have ability to stimulate immune cells. Purified pieces of fragments of pathogen which will have ability to stimulate immune cells and produce antibodies. Next type is vaccine with virus-like particle. These are the vaccines in which virus-like particles are used, in which they resemble the pathogen but are not infectious. The sixth type of vaccine is toxoid vaccine. Some pathogens cause illness by releasing toxins. These toxins are inactivated and are used as vaccines. Inactivated toxins do not cause diseases but can activate the production of antibodies against the natural toxins. The next type in this category is DNA-based vaccines. These vaccines comprise a small circular piece of DNA called as plasmid that carries genes encoding proteins from the pathogen of interest. Many such vaccines are in research, although none are currently licensed for human use. The next and the last type is RNA-based vaccines. These types of vaccines uses a copy of natural mRNA to produce an immune response. These vaccines artificially introduce synthetic RNA into immunity cells.